In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text someone from another country on iMessage in 2025. We'll break this process down into a few simple and clear steps, ensuring you can easily follow along and connect with your international friends with no hassle. First, let's make sure that iMessage is enabled on your device. It's quick and important to check this setting to ensure everything works smoothly. Head over to the settings on your iPhone, select apps, and then choose messages. Here, you'll want to make sure that iMessage is toggled on, which will be indicated by the button being green. This step is crucial because iMessage uses the internet to send messages, allowing you to communicate without the additional charges associated with SMS. Alongside enabling iMessage, there's another setting to check. Under Messages, locate the option called Send as Text Message and make sure this is also toggled on. This acts as a handy backup to send your messages as a regular text if for some reason iMessage isn't available. The next step involves adding your contact's international phone number correctly to your contacts. When texting abroad, it's essential to use the full international number format. This means you'll start with a plus sign, followed by the country code, area code, and the phone number. For instance, if you're contacting someone in the UK, it would look like this: +447123456789. Once you have this number, be sure to save it in your contacts app in this exact format, as it allows your device to recognize and communicate with numbers from abroad effortlessly. Now, let's talk about connectivity options. Since iMessage uses the internet, you can message someone internationally for free if you're connected to Wi-Fi. Alternatively, you can use an active data plan, but be cautious with this option if you're traveling, as data roaming fees may apply, potentially leading to unexpected charges on your bill. Always keep an eye on your connectivity options to avoid any surprises. Finally, it's time to open the Messages app and start your conversation. Tap on the Messages app to launch it and begin a new conversation by entering the saved full international number of your contact. If iMessage is working properly, you'll notice your message appears in blue, confirming it's being sent over the iMessage network. There you have it, a straightforward guide to texting someone from another country on iMessage. Following these steps ensures a seamless messaging experience so you stay connected no matter where you or your friends are in the world. Happy texting!